So congratulations on completing your gig title and gig description. I know it's a bit of work to get that done, but you've got to remember that you've only got to set this up once. If you set it up well, then the sales are just going to keep coming in. We do have a little bit further to go, so keep that motivation up and let's finish this gig creation out. The next thing that we want to do is to create the video for your gig. Why do we want to do this? One simple reason: you're going to get a lot more sales if you do. How much more? Well, Fiverr gives us a clue. Sellers who present their services in a video sell 220% more. That is something to get excited about, and especially when a lot of sellers on Fiverr don't take advantage of this feature. So when we talked about how do you make a gig 25% better, one easy way is just making a video. So some things about formatting you should understand about the video. Fiverr accepts videos. They must be longer than 30 seconds but shorter than 1 minute. So that's really the time frame. You must also say exclusively on Fiverr in the video as well. How that would work would you could say maybe towards the end of the gig, this gig is available exclusively on Fiverr. Order now and get started, and I'll have your logos, your 2 logos in 72 hours delivered straight to you, something like that. I think it's always good to start the video as well by saying, what they're going to get, what's the result. So starting and ending with the result is always good. I would recommend you probably do, a talking head video like I'm doing now for this lecture. You can just record that on your webcam, very simple, costs nothing as well. If you're not so comfortable talking in front of the camera, what you can do is maybe go to, you can just type in Fiverr gig video into Fiverr itself, and there's plenty of sellers here who will help you create a video. And so, you can get some sort of animated video if you prefer as well. So the process for creating a great video is going to be the same as the process for creating a great title and great description. I would encourage you to maybe look at 5 or 6 competitors, write down nice phrases, nice openings, nice closings. Do they mention 30-day money back guarantee, all that type of stuff, and write a script for yourself for the video. Make sure that the video is going to be about a minute long and that you have included in that script, this gig is available exclusively on Fiverr. Make sure that you end with a call to action, pushing people towards, order now and let's get started, and kind of remind them of the deliverable again as well. Also great in the video to remind them to check out your gig extras if they want to get the full benefit from the gig. That's also a good line to include there. So just keep in mind, 220% more sales. That's why you're doing this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's always good to get something moving, get the ball rolling. As I said, progress, not perfection. Keep that in mind. Okay, best of luck with that. Maybe take about 20 minutes to write yourself a script, record a quick video, and upload it onto the gig.